All right, I will be going over the pros and cons of the three methods of study we use to study motor development. First one being longitudinal, second one being the cross-sectional, and the third one being the mixed longitudinal or the sequential method. Firstly, the longitudinal method studies a subject over a long period of time, likely their whole life, to get the best results. Some pros that we're able to see the difference in ages over time with the same subjects using the same measures and the same tests. But this is inefficient because it takes a very long time, the whole lifespan, and that the measures are confounded, meaning that the same tests we're using are at the same ages, and they're also influenced by repeated tests, meaning they might know how to be good at one test or another one, and there's a lot of dropout because it's just a very long time to stay in one study. Um, the most complete longitudinal method was done by H. Harrison Clark. He had over 30 years worth of data and footage and is considered one of the best studies done in the longitudinal method. Secondly, we have the cross-sectional method, which compares two or more persons or groups at one point in time. Um, like in my assignment, they were studying babies from 6 months to 36 months within COVID and seeing the age-related changes. It's efficient. They're um, completed quickly, and you can see the age differences observed. Um, but they can only describe typical behavior at specific ages, and that's a question because doing random selection, you don't know who you're going to get for the study, and which leaves room for uh, desire, which is why we have the third method, the mixed longitudinal method, the combination method, the sequential method, whatever you want to call it. It combines all the best aspects of the cross-sectional and the longitudinal study. All the subjects are selected cross-sectionally, meaning that they are similar groups or persons, and then they are studied longitudinally so we get the best, so we can see the differences in ages and cover all data points. Yeah, thank you.